So I just realised in my haste to getting the build videos up, I never showed you the footage of installing the prop on the back of the motor. So I'll quickly do that. So this is pretty kind of straightforward really. The main thing that you need to be aware of is when you kind of put this together, you want the writing both facing in the same direction. And when you actually mount it to the wing, that writing is going to be facing forwards. So and you want to use Loctite on the different nuts when you're putting it all together as well. And one of the key things in terms of balancing it, so this is using a folding prop design. So you want to make sure that when you're connecting the two props, the one side you put the bolt through and the nut on the bottom, and then the other side you put the bolt up and the nut on the top. This just helps balance out everything. Then once you've connected it all up, when you apply the throttle, it should be moving in a clockwise motion. If that isn't working, you just need to swap a couple of the bullet connectors around on the ESC and you should be up and running. So that's pretty much it. When you're tightening it up, don't do it too tight. You want that plastic, the two plastic sides that you've put on around the aluminium kind of mount to help push the wings back. So when it's gliding, they kind of tuck themselves away, make themselves a bit more aerodynamic. And you'll notice I put the washer at the beginning of the motor mount instead of the end after the nut. I don't think it matters too much what way you want to do it, either there or just in front of the nut. Yeah, see how you get on with your own experiences. So that's it. The props are on and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.